So a new dashcam has been teased from VIOFO and it's called the VIOFO A119M. And looking at the picture, I can clearly make out that this is the upgrade to the previous model, that's the VIOFO A119 Mini 2. So what the Mini 2 had was like it could shoot a 3K 1944p resolution, was having a Starvis-2 IMX675, but looking at the marketing picture of the A119M Pro, it seems like this is going to get a 4K resolution, going to get a Starvis-2 IMX678, and best of all, probably the price is going to be somewhere around maybe 12 or 13,000 rupees. Now this would make it the cheapest native 4K Starvis-2 based dashcam in the market, and I'm not sure if it's going to be a front only variant or a dual channel variant. Well, I'm hoping it's a dual channel variant, but nevertheless, even if it's still a front only variant, you can probably buy two of them at a price of close to 20,000 rupees and maybe get dual 4K dual Starvis-2 setup in your car. So this would be a superb option to those who are looking to have a 4K Starvis-2 in their camera from both front and the rear. Let's see if it is a front only or a dual variant. Nevertheless, it's going to be launching soon, and as usual, you're going to get all the latest updates on this dashcam only and only on Gizmobeep. So make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button of my channel right now if you want the latest updates on the newly launching VIOFO A119M Pro dashcam. See you in the next one.